You may have heard about Mega FUE hair transplant. If you want to learn more, keep on watching. Hi, I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, Medical Director and founder of Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. Hello, I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, the celebrity hair transplant surgeon. I would like to walk you through Mega FUE hair transplant. FUE hair transplant is usually more labor intense compared to the other methods of hair transplant, like a strip procedure that was done in past. So because of the labor intensity of it, and if you want to do it right, you cannot really give a big number of grafts because a lot of people are working on patient's head and there's not enough room or space or time. For that reason, our limited numbers are about 2,500 per day, 2,500 grafts per day. That means if a patient comes with a big area of baldness and we need to restore it all, we cannot do it in one day. So we usually have to do it in 2 days back to back. The numbers can go up to close to 5,000 grafts for a 2-day procedure. People who want to do 2-day FUE hair transplant procedure, they usually choose it because it's making it much easier. You get over with all the washing and caring and everything, and you see the result as soon as possible. You don't necessarily have to do a big hair transplant in 2-day back-to-back. You can do it 6 months apart, a few months apart, but the best way that more executive people especially want to do it is 2-day back-to-back because they want to see the result as soon as possible and don't have to go through the whole process twice. Today's case is a patient with class 6 moving toward class 7 of hair loss, meaning the whole top and crown is bald, front, top, and crown. So that's a big area we have to restore. The donor density is pretty good, so you have a very solid hair on the back and sides that gives us the opportunity to remove sufficient number of grafts and cover the big area that we have to cover. I hope you'll learn about Mega FUE hair transplant. If you have any other questions about this procedure or any other innovations in the field of hair restoration, feel free to leave us a comment or follow us on our social media.